So I want to thank Adobe Express for inviting me to attend Adobe MAX. And I want to share with you what I learned there about all the new AI technology that is going into Adobe products, including my beloved Adobe Express. So we are going to start we're going to start with our own content. So I am going to upload a photo, and then I'm going to be using the new AI assistant, which is currently in limited beta, but already accessible to premium members. I want to show you just how quickly even non-designers like myself can easily edit images with the AI magic of the Adobe Express AI assistant. So let's first get a photo in here. And this is the photo. This actually is from a photo shoot that I did in London. Okay, now I'm going to explain that. That's very, very important for what I want to do. First of all, I want to have a little bit of fun. I want to add a little bit of individualism to this. So this is the AI assistant. I toggled it on. I could toggle it on and off at any time. And if I want to edit stuff the old way, I can still do that. But I want to do it the new way, the AI way. I'm going to go in here and say, please add a small white rabbit sitting on top of the man's shoe. So this is how we can literally use our imagination together with Adobe Express AI Assistant to create something that is uniquely and creatively your own. So it is AI. Nothing happens like that when we talk about images and videos, but let's see what Adobe Express does. Give it a second. I want to actually show you how long it takes, because I could have fiddled around and tried to, find images and add images and delete backgrounds and crop. But at the end of the day, I think this ended up being much faster and more realistic. It already, as you can see, added that rabbit, and it looks fairly realistic in terms of the lighting, the shadow, what have you. So that's pretty cool. I want to do one more thing. So even though I'm in London, you wouldn't know I'm in London. So please transform the background to include a realistic London cityscape. All right. So once again, we are using the AI assistant to type in a textual prompt to edit this image. So let's see what it does. It is analyzing. It is automatically figuring out what is the foreground, what is the background. And then let's see what it brews up for something that I can say, you know what, this is London. You'll notice it's already replaced my prompt with its own. Replace the background with a realistic London cityscape while preserving the man, bench, laptop, and the small bunny in the foreground. So I can study this, but boom, there you go. Pretty amazing. And you know what? I could have changed this to a cityscape anywhere in the world. So this London photo shoot could have been a Berlin photo shoot. And maybe the next time I speak in Tokyo, I can use this on a Facebook ad with a Tokyo cityscape. So I think you can see how just with your imagination, anything is possible with Adobe Express with AI Assistant. So it runs on desktop, not on mobile yet. And premium users, as I said, do get early access. Beautiful thing is, even after I do this, I can still go back, turn Adobe Express AI Assistant off, and do all of my normal edits. So I can still adjust anything manually. Nothing is locked in. Well, all I have to ask you is, what will you create next? Check it out at express.adobe.com.